What is up? Letitia UFO here, coming straight out of sunny SoCal, and you landed on this video because you want to know what is Canva. Like, what is that? So, what I need you to do right now, before we get started, click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on the epic information I'm going to be providing you to boost your business, okay? And don't forget to click the little bell next to it. Alright, so what we're going to tap into today is a site that I love so much. I use it a lot online. I actually also used it before to print out flyers. You can do flyers, postcards, your Facebook cover. Even if you select your Facebook cover, you can actually you can select that and you can change the pixels on there to make it big enough for your YouTube channel. And I gotta actually update that right now, so don't laugh at what I got right now. And it shows you all of the different designs that you can have, and they're pretty cool because you can actually, update all this stuff. So let's just kind of click on, this is the most recent one I used, but we'll just click on something here. We can go back to the type of layouts that they have. So for example, if you guys are out there doing any offline marketing, then definitely get in tune with this. This is pretty awesome. And I love how everything's set up for you, whether you're having a birthday bash, a Christmas party, just maybe a notification for somebody, a garage sale, whatever it is. I mean, it's pretty set up for you guys. It's really nice. The colors pop and they print beautifully. So let's just click on one here. Say for example, you're going to do this one. You can click on the words. You can definitely change everything. So if you go here, you can edit all the letters here. And then the cool thing about it, you see how it overlays? You can actually change, the size of everything. You can center it out if you want. I mean, you could even change the letters, the font here. You can even add your own photos. So if we click on here, see how it brings the photo out? That means you can actually either erase it and you can add your own, which is pretty cool. So this site, I love it. I use it all the time. I highly recommend it, especially for online, guys. You can definitely get a lot of use out of making some colorful ads, or even just instead of using Facebook, I know they have like some cool color backgrounds and some print. You can definitely start to just change, everything. And clearly I use this a lot, so I would definitely get involved with this. I just thought I'd share this cool tool with you guys because you can edit, put your own photos, and it is free. I mean, a lot of people don't have time to create stuff. I mean, well, here you go. You can do everything on here. So I hope I know you did. If you haven't already heard, I know now you're like, I'm going to hop on this. And you can have a cool little look. You can even just post that and save it. And so what you can do is, let's click on it, double click. You can download it as a PDF, PNG, or a JPG. And the awesome thing about it is that, let's say I wanted to download this and I already created it, designed it. And you give cool little quotes. Creativity is a combination of discipline and a childlike spirit. Boom. You can actually tweet this, so let's go ahead or post it on Facebook and email. And you see how I use PDF. So we're going to close that. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like to tweet something. Let's do hashtag share. Boom. So I click Twitter. Okay, I've never done this before clearly. So it's asking to authorize the app. Alright, so you got authorize. Boom. And my computer's dying, but it's fine. Alright. And then boom, share it now. Look, more quotes. There are 3 responses to a piece of design. Yes, no, and wow is the one to aim for. Well, there you have it, guys. So use Canva, Canva.com. I highly recommend this. So let's go ahead and view our masterpiece on here. And boom, I mean, there you have it. There's the masterpiece. And it looks wonderful. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. It's a quick and easy way, and it's connected to your Twitter and Facebook or your email if you want to send it to your email listing. So don't forget to tune into the next video where I'm going to be dropping massive value for you guys on how to elevate your MCA business. Tune in, you're not going to want to miss out on the next video. And you've got that bell, so you're going to hear me dinging. Peace.